Here we have a 2019 19 plate Ford Transit Custom 280 Limited Motion R. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked 20-inch alloy wheels. They are the VS2 Motion Rs in satin black. We also have the LED daylight running side lights, upper and also lower. Carbon fibre accents all over this vehicle, such as the front splitter, the grille surround, and also the LED lights at the bottom surround. We have the Motion R decals on either front door. We also have the carbon fibre side skirts, as you can see just there. Opening up the rear, you can see lots of room for activities just in there. We do have front and rear parking sensors. We also have the dual exit exhaust, flush with the carbon fibre rear diffuser, and also the bumper. Motion R badging just on the back there as well. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and really does look superb from every angle. Now if you take a look at the front of this vehicle, going straight to the seats, you can see we do have the half leather and half suede seats throughout. Very, very comfortable seats indeed. The driver and also the passenger on the left hand side also heated. Motion R just up there as well. On the doors you have your electric windows, carbon fibre trim again. Carbon fibre all over the interior of this vehicle. Nice addition to have. Auto lights. You also have 12-volt connectivity and USB just up there, as well as down there in the centre. Very, very nice steering wheel indeed. Half carbon fibre, half leather. Motion R there as well. Now you do have your cruise control and speed limiter just there too. Now this vehicle has done just over 35,520 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Satellite navigation unit just in the centre. You have your screen just in the centre, where you can see you do have your DAB radio. You also have your Bluetooth phone, Bluetooth media, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, in front and rear parking sensors, carbon fibre all over the dashboard just there as well. 2 heated front seats with heated windscreen. Now this vehicle is yet to have a full clean. Now once it does, we'll do a full walk around video, go through all different specifications and options that do come with the Motion R design kit. Now it's available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, and we do have a competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.